Hello guys, welcome to A1 Cryptography YouTube channel, and right here we talk about cryptocurrency how-to videos, tutorials and reviews, and I talk about the news on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So without saying much, let's hop right into it. Like previously in my last two videos, I talked about I did a tutorial on the Coinmarketcap application, mobile application. Today I'm going to be doing a video on its web version. So guys, right here we can just go straight into this is the Coinmarketcap web version, and we're just going to read through and know what actually Coinmarketcap is about. I did that in my last video, but I'm going to be quick. Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is to make cryptocurrency discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. Founded by Brandon Chase in May 2030, CoinMarketCap has quickly grown to become the most trusted source by users, institutions, etc. So if you wish to read more about it, you can come to the About section and you can read everything that there is to know about CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to go back straight to the home page, and if you can see here at this top, you can see that there are over 22,000 cryptocurrencies, 569 exchanges, and the current crypto entire market cap valuation is at about, this should be 1 trillion, 1.1 trillion, and traded volume is at about 100 billion, and that's about that. So if we scroll up here, you can see that this is right here is the trending. So BTC and Shiba Inu is trending because of the Shiba Inu news, and you can see that there is the recently added coins where you can go and bag some. Remember, don't buy the top, you can buy the dip. And if you come here, right here is the watch list. Here you get to add coins that you are likely watching. How do you add coins to your watch list? If you come over here at Ethereum, you can see this small star that is right here close to the number 2. If you click it, you have added it to your watch list. Now, here's a message coming up. Ethereum is now in your watch list. If you go and click your watch list, I'm going to show you some coins that are currently in my watch list. You can see that Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Kronos, Algorand, Tezos, etc. are in my watch list. So this helps me filter the noise and know what I am actually following. If you come over here, next to this is the portfolio. This is where you get altcoins that you bought for easy tracking. Rather than going to open all the exchanges where you bought them to check their value, you can come here and add the prices at which you bought them, and here it can show you the percentage moves, whether in profit or in loss. And if you come over here at following, this over here are projects that I'm following. You can come, any project that you're following, you can come here to see it. If you come, they would probably suggest based on your last activities. So I'm just gonna hit the follow for one, and then we're going to move up to the next section. At this part where it says popular, if you click right in, we're just gonna go in, and you can see this popular are kind of a community or some sort of public watch list where you get to see coins that people are following and watching. So you can use this also to filter the noise, or if you don't know what to invest in currently, you can come into this community under the watch list and portfolio, join one of them and see what everybody is watching or buying, and you can do your research before you ape into any of this. Right here is the search bar. This is the diamond earn, and here is the notification. If we hit this diamond, this is where you come to collect daily rewards in the form of diamonds right here on Coinmarketcap, just like CoinGecko's candies. So if we hit over here, this is like the main menu icon where you get to see the different options and pick one. And also CoinMarketCap has a learn to earn feature where other projects can come and introduce come to educate users what they're about, and those users get to earn rewards as well. So this won't be much because most of them are self-explanatory. If you come over here at products, this is where you get to see the job boards, blockchain explorer, mobile apps, and converter. If you come to the community, I'm just going to click that too. You get to see feeds and article. This shows the feeds and article that I am of projects that I'm following. Exchanges, you can come to choose between spot, derivatives, and decentralized exchanges, which is DEX, the third one. If you come into cryptocurrencies, you get to choose how you want it to categorize, or how you want it to how you want the CoinMarketCap to show you or group your assets that you wish to see. So if you come to the ranking, you can see here that it shows you the global ranking of the market on market cap based on market cap capitalization. If we come back here and we come to recently added, we can see that if we go to the categories, this is a very good spot to filter the noise and get helps you reduce time doing your research. You must have seen a news concerning the metaverse, the gaming, or NFTs. If you come over here to the categories, you can now decide, okay, fine, I'm just going to go for DeFi, I'm just going to go for NFTs, I'm just going to go for the metaverse. Okay, there have been good moves on the BNB chain. I'm going to head to the BNB chain or the Solana. I love the Solana and BNB chain, and as well as DeFi. So I'm just going to click BNB chain, and I'm going to show you coins that are currently doing well on BNB chain. You can see the Dogecoin, see Polkadot. You can see here you can get to pick any coin that is on the BNB chain and do your research further, and then invest if you do wish to invest based on your personal conviction. So I'm just going to go back, and here you can pick any category which you'd like to see coins that you wish to do research on. So guys, that's it for the category section. And if you come over here at filters, customize, I'm just going to head to the customize first, and this shows you how you want your home page to be presented to you. You can decide to change it. This gives you the opportunity to arrange everything as you want. If you come to price change, you can decide to pick the 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and yearly. If you're a monthly investor, or if you're bi-monthly, investor, if you're a yearly investor, or if you're a daily investor, you can get to choose. Set up this feature, set this up to show you how you like your home page to be viewed. So you can fix it to your personal taste. You can change this circulating supply to total supply or max supply. You can change your charts to 24-hour or a 30-day if you're a monthly investor, and others. So you can, I love the CoinMarketCap Web because it gives you the opportunity to filter as much noise as possible. So If you come over here, you can see the heat map of the day. BTC is up 1%, Ethereum is up 1% too, BNB following ADA, and the rest. You can get to download that if you want as well. So if you wish to get their daily news and subscription, you can subscribe to their email, and that's it. And again, this right here, I'm also going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency on Coinmarketcap. If you come to the home page and you see a coin which you like, let's pick Ethereum, let's pick BNB for instance. If you wish to buy, and you can come over here where it says buy, or you can come to this part that says exchange. If we should pick the buy option, we get to see two exchanges where BNB is mostly traded, Binance and Bybit. Firstly, you need to have a Binance account or a Bybit account for you to be able to buy BNB. Also, if you wish to see exchanges that this is being traded in, you can click on that, which is the exchange, and it shows you also Binance and Bybit. This is how you can buy any cryptocurrency of your choice using the Coinmarketcap Web feature. You can click on it on the app if you have it, and it takes you straight to the app. You log in, and you must have your USDT stable coin, so you can then make the trade. So if you wish here, if you come over here to this part that if you come over to this very part, sorry guys, you can come here while analyzing the chart. You can decide to view this by market cap or trading view. To help you draw your charts and do your technical analysis. You can see here guys, or you can keep it on the coin market, on the market cap valuation, and you can come over here that says compare, and then you can choose any cryptocurrency that you wish to compare it with. For the charts, you can choose the 1 day. And one more thing, if you're not comfortable with the market cap, you like using candlestick presentations rather than lines, come over here to change that. And once you've done that, you can come here to choose your time frame. It can be 7 day. You can see the value, you can see what the chart looks like in a 7-day range. You can choose it to be 1 minute, 10, 3 months, and so on and so forth. And once you've gone search the coin that you like and you want to know more about that coin, just like we picked BNB, we can come over here and read a little bit about BNB. It shows you BNB price live data, what BNB really used for, and who are the founders of BNB, what makes BNB unique. They give a total a detailed analysis on whatever coin you pick right here on the Coinmarketcap Web application. And if you come lower, if you come to the bottom of any coin that you've picked after passing through the chart, you can come here that says articles from BNB chain, and you can choose to read whichever that best suits whatever information that you're looking for. After reading through, you can comment, or after your analysis, or if you're satisfied with what BNB has done for the day, you can come here to drop a comment. etc, etc. One more thing, you can come over here. If I have to let you know this also, that BNB can only be bought on and traded on on Binance or Bybit. If you come here at markets, you get to see all exchanges that BNB is being traded at. It's also being traded on KuCoin. If you come here on the perpetual, you can see exchanges that are trading perpetual BNB. And if you come over here at futures, you get to see it's only on Binance. And if you come over here at DEX, it has no DEX data available. Trust Wallet is the DEX, you can trade it there. So if you come at historical data, this shows you how low and how high market moves daily, weekly, or yearly. If you come over here, you can choose the range at which you want the data to be presented to you. If you come over here as well, you get to see the news price estimates, and you can choose more info if you did wish to read or know more. So guys, all this app is applicable with every coin right here on the Coinmarketcap platform. So if you found this video educating and informative enough, kindly smash the like button and drop a comment if you want me to make a video on whatever project, app, or a review, so it can draw my attention, and I'll make that as well. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in my next video.